What's up guys, it's Nico aka Neeks back with a brand new video, and today's video we're doing two different things. We are going to Mangwon, which is a very cute kind of like trendy area of Seoul, and we're also getting Japanese pancakes. So if you've been on TikTok or literally any social media, you have definitely seen these big fluffy iconic Japanese pancakes, and I'm so excited to finally try them. So the first thing we're doing is walking around Mangwon, and then we're gonna head to the Japanese pancake place. So come along for the adventure. Okay, you guys, we arrived at Pauline Pancake. It looks really cute from outside here, so let's go ahead in and see what she has to offer. Thank you. You guys, here is the menu. Let's open it up. Oh my god, as you can already tell, I'm about to get the matcha waffles. These look so good. They have some mango, banana. This menu is pretty big for what it has to offer. So let's just give it a deeper look. So not even giving it a second thought, I'm gonna get the green mile. It has rich, buttery mascarpone cream and matcha, grassy, full-bodied, and creamy. Like I said, for the 1000th time on my channel, I am obsessed with matcha, so I'm so excited to eat this. Okay, I got an iced milk tea. And Tara, tell us what you got.
So I got a vanilla latte iced.
It looks so pretty with the separation. Okay, I'm gonna do a little taste test of my milk tea. It tastes so good. It has a really strong, like, actual tea flavor, which I love. You guys, I am in matcha heaven right now. This is like literally beyond words. Look at these fluffy pancakes. I cannot wait to try. So Tara got a tiramisu pancake with a little bit of ice cream. Hers looks so good too. Okay, you guys, digging in with my first bite. It has the same texture as Japanese cheesecake, so let's just go ahead and give it first bite. Oh my god. It melts right in your mouth. It's a 10 out of 10. So I just ate these little squares, and it's actually matcha white chocolate, and if you guys could taste this, you would be in awe. It's so good. As you can see, you guys, I pretty much licked this plate clean. You have no idea how great it was. So overall, my day was so cute. This restaurant and the little shopping town earlier today was such a gift, and I'm so glad I came. So if you're ever in Seoul, make sure to check out Pauline Pancakes. This was so good, and if you're a matcha lover like I am, you will be in heaven. So as per usual, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment below which flavor you guys would have had, and I'll see you guys in my next video.